Hello traders. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so today we are reviewing the Hippo Trader Pro EA for MT4 and MT5. This is a trend following system focused mainly on the Asian and European sessions. So let's break down the claims and look at the test results. Just going to expand this. Alright, so from the MQ5 page, the Hippo Trader Pro is a trend following expert advisor that primarily trades EURUSD on the M1 time frame. So you can see, it analyzes the market without relying on outdated indicators or patterns, instead looking for the main trend based on volatility using an ATR filter and trend patterns to predict likely future direction. The EA uses the relative Vigor Index oscillator to help identify the trend. Okay, you can see we have that over here, and it's designed to work during the Asian and European sessions and claims to have undergone stress tests over a long historical period. Importantly, it is FIFO compliant with appropriate settings, and it uses a global stop loss that adjusts risks based on lot size. The developer positions it as a system with good resistance to unexpected market events and offers a free copy of another EA upon purchase. Alright, so the key features include trend following logic with ATR volatility filter, relative Vigor Index for trend confirmation, focus on Asian and European sessions, FIFO compliance, global stop loss for risk control, and market order entries. Recommended settings for EURUSD M1 with a minimum deposit of around $1,000, preferably 3,000. Okay. Default or provided set files are suggested, and it works with any reliable broker. The system is available for both MT4 and MT5. We have a couple of settings. Um, so most of these are configurable, so you can play around with them to find the setting that really fits you and fits in with your overall trading strategy. We also have some screenshots here on the website. You can see from what we have here, you can see how the equity curve looked. It remained flat for most of the period, but towards the um, further right, you can see how it moved upwards sharply, um, pointing to pretty good performance or pretty good gains in that period. For the initial deposits of $1,000, we had crazy profits that the developer claims here. We had a profit factor of 3.23 and a drawdown of 14.36%. Right, so you can see this other screenshot as well. Here the equity curve kicked off right from the onset, and it moved in kind of like a 45-degree angle line straight to the upside. As you can see, this is a pretty decent graph, showing good movements and good gains. As you can see, for the initial deposit of $1,000, the net profit was $22,735. The profit factor was 3.67, and the maximal drawdown was 4.02%. Alright, these are all well and good, but how does it actually perform when I put it through my own personal test? Does it match up to what we have here? Let's take a look quickly and see what happened when I put it through my own personal backtest. So like I said, I was opportune to run it through my own personal testing. I used the recommended EURUSD pair on the M1 time frame for a constant period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for the initial deposit of 10K, $10,000, the equity curve showed a gradual decline over the tested period, ending with a net loss. You can see. So we had a net loss of $499. Drawdowns stayed relatively controlled around 5%, which aligns with the risk management approach, but the overall result was negative in this run. You can see the profit factor was below 1 at 0.8. So this is typical for many trend following systems on lower time frames. They can struggle during ranging or choppy conditions while waiting for clear trends. The ATR filter and RVI help filter entries, but market conditions still play a big role. So compared to the developers' claims of advantageous profit to drawdown ratios over long stress tests, my specific test period did not produce positive net results. Performance can vary significantly depending on the exact period, settings, and broker conditions. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk settings, using the recommended EURUSD M1, and thorough testing across different market regimes. The session focus and FIFO compliance are practical advantages for some traders. As for the nuances, M1 trading is sensitive to spreads, slippage, and broker execution quality. Trend systems can have extended flat or losing periods in non-trending markets. Live results often differ from historical tests. In practice, start with conservative risks, use a low spread broker, and monitor performance regularly. No system is immune to changing market conditions. Overall, the Hippo Trader Pro EA is a focused trend following system with solid risk features and session specialization. It has potential in the right conditions, but like all EAs, requires realistic expectations, proper setup, and extensive demo testing before any live use. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. Right, so if you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.